let me ask one personal question. Everybody talks about your fitness. So you tell us what you do since 3:30 in the morning to late hours, 9 o'clock. You are still always still in Supreme Court working in chamber. So how you manage it, sir?
आशीष, मैं सुबह मेरी दिनचर्या ऐसी है, मैं 3:30 बजे सुबह मेरा दिन शुरू हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो वक्त भी ऐसा होता है कि पूरा शांत वातावरण होता है, माहौल शांत होता है. उस समय थोड़ा सा मैं चिंतन कर सकता हूँ, मनन कर सकता हूँ, थोड़ा योगा भी कर पाता हूँ. मैं काफ़ी साल से, मैं 20-25 साल से मैं योग कर रहा हूँ मैं. और इसके अलावा मैं और माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड हु इज़ माय वाइफ कल्पना, वी फॉलो अ बेसिक आयुर्वेदिक डाइटरी लाइफस्टाइल. Both of us are vegans in our dietary preferences. We have a plant-based lifestyle. I'm not sure this works for everybody, but it's worked for me. And that, I do believe, is very key, because what we put at the tip of our tongue ultimately determines the vitality of our bodies and minds. But having said all this, about my leading a disciplined lifestyle and, my love for yoga and being a vegan, I also believe that your fitness, both in a physical and mental sense, originates within. It doesn't originate without. It doesn't originate beyond us. So it is within the mind and within the heart of each of us all that we determine how fit we are. I must share with you that it's not that I don't share my own set of challenges. I've had, my life has been like the life of any other person in our society. There have been ups, there have been downs, there have been facing challenges. I've seen the whole cycle of life. And my mantra really is to live always on a sense of optimism and hope, and not be overcome by the challenges, the problems which we face at that particular point of time. Another thing I believe is that in all the challenges which we face, there's always a purpose and meaning. So long as we understand that there is some purpose and meaning in all the challenges which we face, which may not be readily apparent at that particular time, but so long as we retain that intrinsic element of faith in our own humanity, I think we all have it within us to do something to surmount what we have to encounter from day to day in our lives. So I think I'll leave that.
सर, मुझे पता चला, लोग जानना चाहते हैं आप खाते क्या हैं, तो साबूदाना और रामदाना जो यूपी में बोला, उसकी बड़ी चर्चा हुई. उस पर बहुत सारे लोगों ने कमेंट भी किया कि चंद्रचूड़ साहिब जो है वो रामदाना खाते हैं, साबूदाना खाते हैं.
आशीष, रामदाना हाँ, साबूदाना नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में साबूदाने की खिचड़ी बनती है, खासतौर पर व्रत के दिन. तो पर मैं ज़्यादा करके रामदाना खाता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं पिछले 25 साल से मैं सोमवार का व्रत रखता हूँ. पर हमारे यहाँ, हम महाराष्ट्र में खासतौर पर रामदाना ज़रूर लेते हैं. We call it laya in Marathi. It's called amaranth in English. And surprisingly, it's such a light cereal that if you blow, it will blow away. But it is one of the most healthy cereals that you can imagine. So I have my own preferences. I do have some cheat days also when I don't follow a very strict diet. But overall, so long as you keep your mind under control, I think that solves a lot of your problems.
Cheat day में क्या पसंद है सर आपको?
Well, ice cream.